everyone, merhaba, good morning. Right now it's 7:20. We are in Beyazıt with my daughter. We get up very early, like 5:45, and take the bus at 6:10 because we didn't want to get onto the traffic jam. So we are here, like it took about 55 minutes to come with the bus. And it's very calm right now, very early hours. And we have lots of things to do on our plan. First we're gonna have a breakfast, so let's begin. The Kapalı Çarşı, Grand Bazaar is not opened yet. Olur. Ha evet, fark ediyor. Güzel bayağı çeşitlerimiz. Kavurma var, kaşar, salam.
Patatesli, peynirli, kaşarlı, zeytinli, sade, çikolatalı.
I share different börek recipe on my channel. You can check from the links. This time I'm gonna buy hand-rolled börek with minced meat filling. Ne kadar?
Bir porsiyon börek verdik, 15 lira varsa. Bir tane elma verdik, 2 tane porsiyon. Toplam 20 çeka.
Temassız.
Maalesef kart kullanmıyoruz.
23 müydü?
Hep kuruluştan bu yana kadar kullanmadık. O da sizin iyiliğiniz için. Fazla artmiyatı olan
When I filmed the Ayasofya Mosque vlog, I went this patisserie again, and that time I bought tahini çörek, which was so delicious. But since it was very early in the day, they didn't have it. They bake everything fresh, as they say, and we just gonna try apple cookies this time. There is another door to Grand Bazaar here. I have never came from here. We just saw. We just discovered that it's the same door actually. And for the patisserie, you can just come to this door and then pass from here. It's very easy, like 1 minute walk. So now we're gonna head to Ayasofya because my daughter didn't see it, and have our breakfast there. It's 7:30. We are in Sultanahmet again. I'm very happy, it's so calm here. The weather is perfect, a little bit breezy, it's gonna get hot even more. But good to, when you are walking, it's perfect weather. I really recommend when you come to Istanbul, make sure to get up early and enjoy the calmness of the city. And come here, it's really different than the crowded times, so make sure to enjoy it. Can you also show the Sultanahmet? So beautiful. So we have our breakfast ready. Let's try this time some börek and poğaça. This börek is hand rolled. It's very hard to make. This one is minced meat and onion mixture with spices. It's really delicious. Of course, we went to Hagia Sophia Mosque. My daughter didn't see it before, and it was a blessing to witness its beauty and calmness early in the day. You can watch the details about Hagia Sophia Mosque on my other vlog from the links. It's time to taste the apple cookie. It is one of my favorite cookies of all time and I make it very frequently. I shared the recipe with you. Let me taste the apple. So I'm very picky about it, but I really liked it. While we continue our walk to Eminönü, passing through the streets of the Grand Bazaar area, we came across the Salty Bee Nusret Steakhouse restaurant and wanted to take a look. It's in the Sandal Bedesten Han, very close to Nuri Osmaniye Camii. Since it was early in the morning, there was no one except the workers. We wanted to take a look at the menu and it was way expensive than regular prices in Istanbul for locals. I haven't tried anything on his restaurant. If you already did, please share your experience. How was it in the comment section? I just got out from the Nusret place. It was in Sandal Bedesten Han. So I wanted to, show you around, but I didn't see much place interested actually. It's just touristic place. We are walking through Mahmut Pasha Street down to Eminönü, and we're gonna visit the historic famous Han, or in English, Kürkçü Han. First, my eye catches the small vendor of chicken döner kebab. He's getting prepared for the lunch. He stocks marinated chicken breast and thighs and fat of lamb layers from time to time, which we call gömlek, and literally it means shirt. The lamb fat gives more flavor to the chicken döner, he says. This Han is very old, from 1461. They have small shops selling home beddings, curtains, craft supplies, yarns, and many more. Usually when girls getting prepared for a wedding, they come to shop here. Soğana.
Öyle bir moda.
Kampanya, hoş geldiniz. Böyle içeriye buyurun. Onların telefonlarında indirim var. Buyurun.
Ha. Bak fotoğraflara. We are in Eminönü. It's about 1 o'clock almost. We are a bit sleepy, a bit tired. It's been in outside like 6 hours, and but it was really nice to wake up together with Istanbul while it is still not too crowded, but it is right now. What we did, we went to old shopping areas, different Hans. I saw the Nusret restaurant. I haven't seen it before. Well, it was okay. I don't know what to say anyway. And then we bought these 2 yarns. These are for making, I don't know, I forgot. Sabunluk we call in Turkish. I'm gonna try to make it. For my daughter, she wanted to. This one. Really beautiful. It has 50% wool in it. We're gonna make a scarf with it, hopefully. I don't know how I'm gonna find the time for these, but we'll see. About this placemat, I really didn't thought of using it, but I think it will be useful. So you can see when I'm shaping my chaver, I roll out the dough. In centimeters you can see it, so it will be easier to describe for you. So that's why I bought it for you, my friends. And right now we are resting a little bit, and we are planning to go across the Karaköy, crossing that bridge, Karaköy Bridge, to see Galata area, and we have some other sweet plans too. So let's see. 7:30 p.m. right now. We are in Cihangir area. We went to the public transportation EITT to change the card, but it was too crowded. It took about 1 hour, and we still didn't get the card because the system was down. We are still waiting. So we wanted to have our lunch. We went to the Galata Karaköy area, the famous places. I checked a couple of them. I wanted to try, but it wasn't my type actually, the environment and the restaurant. So we didn't want to eat there. What? I just got the phone that our cart is ready. And so we didn't want to stay in the Karaköy, Galata area. It was too crowded, and it wasn't so appealing actually. I saw a soup house and tantuni place, but it wasn't my type. So we decided to give it a try. This Sosyal Tesis, I'm gonna write down. It's a bit like 10-minute walk, but you have to go up. We are really tired, but we're gonna try. The place right now, the view is so beautiful. It's worth coming, I think, because people are coming from there also. Yeah, we're gonna see now. Let's go. It was really a nice place, not very crowded. I decided to give it a try, Turkish köfte, and my daughter ordered meat wrap, et dürüm. We had ayran drink with it. The plate was looking really nice with the greens, the tomato sauce and potatoes, of course. But since we had to wait too much on the line, we were really tired, so we couldn't continue to our trip even though we had other plans. Instead, we decided to go to our mother-in-law's house, which is closer than our house in Istanbul, and spent the night there together. We rested the whole night, and in the morning she prepared her breakfast specialty, which is a cheese and egg. It's a simple dish, but she really makes it so delicious, using the best quality butter, white cheese and eggs. Before we returned back home, we bought our favorite galettes from the old bakery and patisserie in the area. I hope you enjoyed the trip with us. Istanbul is such a place that every day you can see new things, discover new areas. So I hope to see you in another one. Thanks for watching.